Long before modern cities left the Netherlands, there was a small settlement hidden in the dunes. Heiloo may look quiet today, but its history stretches back more than 2,000 years. Archaeologists discovered traces of ancient farms here from the Iron Age, when early tribes survived between forests, marshes, and the North Sea winds. But Heiloo became legendary for another reason. In the Middle Ages, thousands of pilgrims traveled here to visit the sacred Runk spot, a mysterious holy well believed to heal the sick. Some stories claim the water performed miracles. Others believe the land itself was blessed. Even during wars, storms, and centuries of change, the legends of Heiloo survived. Today, beneath its peaceful streets and old churches, echoes of ancient rituals and forgotten travelers still remain. A tiny Dutch village with a history older than most people could imagine.